Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the Kahr booth, and what we have here is a PM9 covert. So the upper is the same PM9 that we're used to. Most popular model that Kahr Arms sells is the Kahr PM9. But here what we have is the S frame that's shortened down a little bit. It does have the rail on there, but here's the draw to this. You get 3-finger contact on the grip, and the magazine is holding 7 rounds. Now, I already made contact with Handguns. They are producing a spring kit to add an additional round. So here we have a PM9 that will hold 8 rounds. That's pretty good. Also has the same feel, 0.9 inches wide on the slide, very thin profile right here. So basically what you're getting is the 3-inch barrel, extra capacity as the P9 in a smaller all-around package. Get a load of that. Many people wanted this for a while. They wanted a longer grip with a 3-finger contact, 1 additional round, and a very nice setup. Very lightweight, very compact. You can use it as your primary carry, as I do, or many people use it as a pocket gun, as a secondary backup. Whatever the case, excellent reliability, craftsmanship, and extremely accurate. I love the Kahr handguns, and this PM9 covert is something that I'm going to be picking up because I think it is super cool. I've got another gun over here I want to show you. It's a little bit different. Before we get to that 380, I want to show you this K9. It's a 25th anniversary edition. Check out those slide cuts right there. So here we have a 3.5-inch barrel, 7 rounds, steel frame, of course the steel slide, aluminum grips, everything that you love about the K9, but a little different cut there. Check that out. Very nice, very precise. This is going to be a limited run, and it's a little bit different. It's an anniversary model, and it sure does look nice. Has a great feel to it with those aluminum grips. I don't have my mind made up yet if I like the rubber grips or the aluminum ones, but I think this fits well on this model. Here we have a Magnum Research M380. It's on a CT frame that we're familiar with the Kahr series, although it is branded as a Magnum Research. You may notice that it does have gold accents with the slide stop, mag release, base plate on the mag, and some engraving. You'll see that the Magnum Research logo is right there. 3-dot sights, same package, but the one thing that makes this a little unique is that it does have slide cut serrations, almost like diamond cuts that go straight up the slide, and then right there it's branded as the M380. We're looking at a standard 6.5 to 7 pound double action trigger pull, but the main thing you're getting here is the lightning holes, the gold accents, and that look that is just beautiful. And here is the PM9 that has a thin blue line. It's called the thin blue line from the Fallen Officer program. And the idea behind this is if an officer loses his life in the line of duty, they can submit an application, and Kahr Arms will engrave the officer's name, and then the police department, very beautiful laser cut logo for the family. Very charitable, very noble. Kahr Arms is known for that. And they're not sending any junk either. They're sending their PM9, which I consider one of their best models in the whole line. So there it is, guys. New guns from Kahr Arms for 2019. Super excited about it. And you know for sure I'm going to get these to the range and check them out. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.